Everyone thinks the best-selling above-ground pool lights are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, UZOPI Rechargeable Pool Lights. Let's kick things off with the UZOPI Rechargeable Submersible LED Lights. Priced at just $26.98, these lights really caught my attention because they come with a remote and a bunch of color options. If you want vibrant underwater lighting, this is worth a serious look. These lights are IP68 waterproof, meaning you can toss them in without worrying about corrosion. Imagine not needing to buy batteries again. That's a huge relief. The remote control lets you change colors or set a timer, which is perfect for parties or late-night swims. You can choose from 16 static colors and 4 brightness levels, creating whatever vibe you want. Now, some folks mentioned that the adhesive might not hold well on some surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're careful about where you place them, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love throwing pool parties or just want to add some fun to your evenings without the fuss. Alright, if the adhesive issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Firsty Solar Floating Pool Lights. Next up, we've got the Firsty Solar Floating Pool Lights. These are a bit pricier at $37.99, but they're pretty popular with over 3,000 sold last month. If you want a hassle-free lighting solution that looks great, you might want to check these out. These lights charge in sunlight and automatically turn on at night, giving you about 10 hours of magical color-changing illumination. They float effortlessly and can add a stunning ambience to your pool or garden. The RGB color-changing feature means they cycle through 7 colors, which can really enhance the atmosphere during a gathering. However, some users found them not bright enough for large areas. But honestly, if you're using them for a cozy setting, they work beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want something eye-catching that requires zero wiring. Skip this one if you need super bright lights for safety though. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, let's check out the next option. Product number 3, SOLPEX Solar Pool Lights. The SOLPEX Solar Pool Lights come in at an incredible $15.99 for a pack of 6. I was surprised by how affordable they are, especially with a 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews. If you're on a budget but still want safety and style, these are definitely worth considering. They're also IP65 waterproof, capable of standing up to rain without issues. One of the coolest things is that they automatically charge during the day and illuminate for up to 8 hours at night. Some complaints mention they don't work well in cloudy weather, which is a fair point. But let's be real, if you're in a place with consistent sun, they're a steal. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on safety. If you need something more versatile, stick around for the next light. Product number 4, Deeper Better Floating Pool Lights. Next on the list are the Deeper Better Floating Pool Lights, priced at $15.28 for 2. I genuinely like the fun design and the fact that they float. If you want something that adds a playful vibe to your pool, this is a good choice. These lights have 10 LEDs offering 7 different colors and a gradient mode, which can create a calming atmosphere. Plus, they're IP68 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them getting ruined. They're easy to use with a simple push-button control, making it a breeze to switch colors or modes. However, some users pointed out that they run on AAA batteries, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with replacing batteries now and then, they're a fun addition. This is perfect for you if you want vibrant colors and easy-to-use lights. Skip this if you're looking for something rechargeable or more permanent. Lastly, if you want a truly innovative solar-powered option, check out our final pick. Product number 5, JEMULICE Solar Pool Lights. Finally, we have the JEMULICE Solar Pool Lights, retailing at $25.49 for a pack of 6. These lights are designed for ease of use, and honestly, the installation is super simple. If you want something that transforms your pool area without a lot of effort, keep listening. They're also waterproof and made from durable materials, ensuring they can withstand the elements. This makes them ideal for both pool parties and quiet evenings. Some reviews did mention that they might not last long in extreme weather conditions, But if you're in a milder climate, they should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance lighting solution that enhances your outdoor space. If you need something highly durable for extreme conditions, you might want to explore other options. To wrap it up, we've explored a range of options. The Uzio PI for versatility, Firsty for a solar touch, SOLPEX for budget-friendly safety, Deeper Better for playful colors, and JMULICE for easy installation. Each one has its unique strengths, so pick what fits your needs best.